Hi, I'm Victor Voitko. Looking for magical atmosphere?
You are performing a confetti storm effect?
Making a party for children right at your home? For all this situation, you will need a mini confetti machine. This compact device works with 3 batteries and remote control it. For children's party at home, fix it directly on chandelier and just press the button on remote control. Before each performance, you need to add confetti. If you have several performances on the same stage and you don't want to use stairs, you will need mini winch. With this mini winch, you can bring the confetti machine down with remote control or up. This small device will make your show unforgettable.